Let's take a look at this Carabiner Multitool. This is how it looks. Costs around 200 rupees or around $3 for this, and it packs in quite a few tools. You get a carabiner which works like that. You can use these holes to tighten your bolts. You can use this hole to put this on a keychain. You can use this space as a bottle opener, and this edge works as a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. If you have screwdriver bits that fit in there, you can use this clamp to hold them in place while you use them. This is made with a really thick metal. It also comes in quite a few finishes. Really well made multi-tool. Quite nice. Check it out.